Here's how to use Pika Labs text to video. Open Discord, then click on the Pika Labs server. After that, select one of the Generate channels to create your video. In these channels, you can view videos created by others along with the prompts they used. To generate your video, click in Message field. Press the slash and select Create. Write a description of the video you want to create. For example, my prompt is cinematic portrait close-up of an artist looking directly at the camera with hair moving. Press Enter, and in a short span of time, your video will be generated. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first video using Pika Labs. To watch the video, click on the play icon. If you're not satisfied, click the refresh button to generate another one. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. If you want to learn how to use Pika Labs image to video, allowing you to animate any image, check out this video right here. I'll see you there.